Now, a special update on the Trade Like a Pro competition with cycling superstar Alberto Contador. The Tinkoff Saxo captain has been competing against his fellow riders to become the most successful trader. At times, it's been almost as tough as Le Tour. Well, almost, with a few uphill struggles and some stock picks going downhill fast. The team started with €1,500 each and can only trade equities. When they eventually reach the finishing line, the total value of the account will be donated to charity. Alberto Contador has been here to Saxo Bank's trading floor to talk through his performance off the bike with Head of Equity Strategy, Peter Garnery.
So this is the performance chart. You have probably seen it before, you see the performance was quite good in the beginning, and then it became very volatile, and you can see you down around 5%. Nicky Sørensen is up 45%, so he's done really well. And the main difference between you and Nicky Sørensen is that you really tried a lot of different things. So I think you are number 41st out of 45 riders.
I'm very competitive, in my life, and of course I'm not happy with my situation, but I cannot follow the 24 hours, and I'm sure that if my wife look that I'm looking all the time my phone, maybe he's not happy with me.
No. I think you will do great. And also you have to remember it's only 6 months. It's like in a cycling career, you look at the long term, right? You have to look at your whole career over 5 or 10 years. This is only 6 months. Those 3 positions you can see here is your current portfolio, and it's quite interesting because you have a long position here in BMW, the German car maker, and we also have just put on a position in our team because we're super bullish on BMW. They're doing very good. They're taking market share in Europe. They're selling a lot of cars in US. But recently, you can see here on the chart, it actually has been performing a little bit bad, and that's because of China. Everyone is talking about China. Is the economy going down the drain? And what will be the impact for BMW? I wanted to single out one thing here, which I think was quite interesting here. There's a trade here. This trade here, the portfolio went long global energy stocks 3 months ago. And as you can see here, the price change was down 16% on that position alone. But I think it's quite interesting because back in May, everyone was saying, okay, oil can't go lower. It can't go lower. So everyone was actually betting on it, a lot of major hedge funds, and you did that as well. I don't know whether that was what you thought as well, that oil couldn't go lower.
Yeah, I think that, when I saw, I say that, okay, maybe it can be a good decision, but of course I think that it's not very hard, but you need also some time, and you need to look what is the market and what is the direction, and sometimes I'm very concentrated in the bike.
You did a good trade here in Alibaba, and everyone talked about Alibaba. I can see here that you bought it back, you closed it in June and you bought it 1.5 months before, and that was actually just when Alibaba hit a low point. So that was actually a very good trade. You just you got it right at the bottom, and then it went up 8% and you got out.
Yeah, for this I spoke with my friends from Saxo and Spain, and say, okay, maybe this can be a good decision, and then I say, okay, we go. And then, the final is close to 8%, and I think it's important. I'm not happy. Always, I'm very competitive and always I try to win. Of course, before I give the 100% to the bicycle, because when I'm in the life, I'm 100% concentrated in what I do, and maybe having the same time, but maybe this helped me for give more time and maybe go up.